Hello everybody, this is Cyrus here, back with another video. Today we're going to be doing a different topic. Today we're going to be talking about skip trucks. So these trucks are, or more likely the attachments for these trucks are manufactured by European companies such as Hiab. I believe these are not sold in the North American market. A lot of times you'll find these skip trucks mounted on a cab over engine chassis. Usually it's a non-recognizable one that's being sold in the European market. Sometimes they also sell them in other markets outside of North America as well. This particular skip truck we're looking at is made by Matchbox, part of their superfast line. I did a video on one of these. If you check out my Hiab trucks video, which I'll see if I can leave a link in the description for if you want to check out that video. So here in the North American market, they use what's known as a roll-off truck. So just to show the example, and you probably picked it up from the name, but these style of dumpsters will roll off the back of the truck, and then you can unhook it, and once it's full, they can roll it back on, latch it in place, and drive the truck away. With a skip truck, it's quite a bit different. So how these would work is they use these trucks mainly on job sites for construction waste, but sometimes they can use them for carrying bulk material between gravel pits and sand and gravel pits and other places that produce bulk material. So the main concept is the truck would hook onto the skip, and just to show this with the skip unloaded, I'll quickly detach it. The truck would back up, latch onto the skip. Usually there would be 4 corner point chains, and then there would actually be a set of hydraulic outriggers at the back of the truck that would come down for when it's preparing to load the skip, especially when it's fully loaded, because these skips can weigh a lot more when they're full. Then it would be loaded, and then you would drive the truck off to the construction site, and they can use, like I said, they use these for mainly construction waste. Sometimes if they're doing a demolition job where they're tearing down a building, they can use these trucks to transport any bulk waste to the landfill, and they can also sometimes use these for if they're transporting any construction waste that could be recycled, such as scrap metal, and there are factories that recycle concrete as well. So they would arrive, drop it off, deconnect. And the cool thing about these skip dumpsters is you can actually you can have about 2 skips stacked on top of each other. One would fit into the other one. And then you would attach chains to the bottom skip, load it onto the truck, and then drive off. And then when you would arrive, you would unload the 2 skips, hook onto the top one, take that top skip away, and then either bring it to a different construction site or put it next to the first one of the 2 skips you unloaded. Now, I know what you're going to probably be thinking. Why do they call these style of dumpsters skips? Well, it's actually a mining term. You see, around the time where mining operations were really starting to increase, and they were developing special elevators to be used in mine shafts, they would use these bucket-style elevators called a skip to bring bulk material from the mine shaft to the surface. So that's what we've got going on here. And these style of dumpsters have adopted the name of those bulk material elevators they use in mines. Now, obviously, I know what you're thinking. So obviously, I showed how they would unload the skip, but how do you empty it out? So on the real-life versions of these trucks, there would be like a little latch mechanism and then a set of hooks that would fold up and would latch on to the skip. That way, when the hydraulic arms prepare to move the skip, it's in a locked position, and instead of lowering to the ground like it should, it would tilt the skip back, allowing them to empty out any bulk waste that was in the back of the skip, drive away, slowly bring the skip back onto the truck, and then drive off to get another load of bulk waste. So this was made around the 1970s for Matchbox's superfast line. They also did a Ford cargo one. By the way, the only part on this that's plastic is the skip. And what's nice about this particular 1976 one is that a lot of these super fast skip trucks that Matchbox made will usually be missing the skip, or it will come with the skip but it's damaged. So I was lucky enough to find one of these in not only good condition but also in good condition with the skip included and not damaged and all that. So they did this one, they did a Ford Cargo, and then they did like a Bedford one for their king size series. And then they also did a DAF Model 55 skip truck for the Real Working Rigs line, which I don't have one yet, but I'm hoping to purchase one of those off of eBay in the future. But that does it for this video, so you can let me know in the comments what you think down below. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in some more videos very soon. Have a good, safe rest of your day, guys. Bye.